Today we're looking at this stand mount for the Osmo Pocket 3. I'll go ahead and put it on the Osmo Pocket 3 just to start, and then I'll go ahead and show you the features. So the first thing you want to do is to put this lanyard kind of through so it's not blocking anything. And then we can go ahead and line it up with the buttons after the lanyard's through, of course. So then we'll go ahead and line up the buttons here. They line up very nicely, as you can see. And then we can go ahead and snap on this back piece like this. It does clip on very securely if you want to release it. There are these two little levers here, so you can push these buttons at the same time and then it will release. It is nice that it has two buttons, not one, so if you push one it won't release. You do need to manually push both, which keeps it very secure because you're not going to be doing that on accident, which is nice. As you can see, we do have full access to all of our buttons and ports still. The joystick still moves very nicely, the record button still works, and there is the fully exposed bottom of the Osmo Pocket, so we do still have our USB-C port easily accessible. Like I said, the lanyard still works because there's a cutout for that there. And on the other side here, we do have a cutout for our memory card, so you're still able to access that even without taking off this magnetic mount. So the actual features of the mount here are very nice. See, we do have a mount for the sort of GoPro accessories. So if you have any GoPro accessories laying around, you're able to kind of use these because it's the same mount that the GoPro uses, which is really cool. You also do have this magnetic mount, which mounts to walls and things like this. And then to open this mount, you push this button on this other side here, opposite the side from the release. This just releases this little flap here. So you are able to use this either mounted to a wall at a different angle, or you can kind of use it as a tripod. So you're able to put it down. It depends on the angle that it works, but you can kind of, like I said, mount it just on a flat surface. Doesn't necessarily have to be magnetic if it's like this, because it will just sit up straight. And then you're of course able to angle the pocket to be more forward, so you're able to use this essentially as a tripod as well as a magnetic mount, which is very nice. Overall, I'm very happy with it. The magnetic mount is very strong. Even if you pull on it, it is pretty hard to get off, which is great because it's not going to fall or anything and damage the pocket. So you do need to be intentionally pulling on it to get it off. It's not going to fall, which is great. It is nice that it kind of has the GoPro accessory compatibility, magnetic mount, and tripod all built into one little device. It's definitely a great addition to your Osmo Pocket 3.